Hi, welcome to Xkweesit. Today we'll be making a Diamante bracelet. Before I forget, please remember to subscribe to our channel, Xkweesit, for more of such content. Thank you! We start with Diamante Montees 6mm. These are the diamantes that we use for jewelry making. To give you an idea of how this looks like at the back, so the back has 4 prongs, 4 holes for us to insert our nylon string. And this is our Diamante Monte 4mm, similar item but different size. So this is the front, which is the Diamante that looks like a diamond, and again the back. I'll turn it to the back, and the back has 4 prongs for us to weave our nylon string in. For this bracelet, we'll also be using Rondelles 4mm. These are light blue Rondelles 4mm. We'll also be using navy blue Rondelles 4mm. We'll be using the silver findings for this bracelet. First up, we'll be using the lobster clasps as well as its accompanying chain extension. Then we'll use crimp caps, jam rings, as well as 2 seed beads. We'll be using the 0.25 nylon string to string this bracelet, and I'll be using the equivalent of 6 times my wrist length. So I'll measure it and I'll cut the string. Now I'll fold the string into half by putting the 2 ends together, and I'll trace it until I reach the middle loop. Once I've reached the middle loop, I'll then tie it into a knot. Now insert a seed bead through both lines and pull it until it reaches the knot. Then I'll insert a crimp cap. Once again, pull it until it reaches the seed bead. Rather, it should cover the seed bead. Now cut off the excess string, which is the loop. Then I'll fuse this knot with wire. Close the crimp cap. Next, I'll attach this jam ring to the crimp cap. So first we'll open the jump ring outwards. And I'll hook it into the hole on our cream cap. Now I'll hook my chain extension to this jump ring. So I'll attach this extension to the jump ring, and then I'll close my jump ring. There you go. Let's start beading. First up, I'll be weaving a light blue rondelle. So I'll be weaving this 4mm rondelle. Next up, I'll put one light blue rondelle on each line. Now, we're going to insert this Diamante 6mm. So I'll show you how I use this Diamante. We'll insert the nylon string through 2 prongs. So put each line through 2 prongs. They should be parallel to each other. And pull it until it reaches our rondelle. Once more, 1 rondelle on each line, light blue rondelle. Now we'll finish off with the first pattern by weaving 1 light blue rondelle 4mm. Now we'll put 1 navy blue rondelle on each line. And then we'll insert a 4mm Diamante montee. So once more, I'll put in 1 line through 2 prongs. They are parallel to each other. So each line will go through 2 holes parallel to each other. Now pull the montee until it reaches our rondelles. Once more, 1 navy blue rondelle on each line. Now weave 1 light blue rondelle. Basically, we'll do these 2 patterns repetitively throughout our bracelet. Now this is our last weave. We'll end it with a light blue rondelle. We'll then tie a knot after weaving this rondelle in. I'll now insert a cream cap through both lines. Insert a seed bead through both lines again. And now we'll tie a triple knot. We'll then cut off the excess strings and fuse the knot with fire. We'll then close the cream cap . Attach a jump ring to the cream cap . Then we'll attach a lobster clasp to the jump ring. There you go. Our Diamante bracelet is done. Crafting is piece made by hand, and I hope you enjoyed this design. This is how it looks like when I wear it on my wrist. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe. Thank you.